Good morning, Mrs. Coryell's class. Good morning, Mrs. How are you guys today? Good. Today we're working on 3.2 factors and greatest common factors. Yes. Can you find factors? Yes. What's the method we use? Can you find greatest common factors? Yes. Do we use the same method? Yes. Yeah, we do, right? Just use it twice. All right, a factor is a number that goes into another number with no leftovers, yes? Yes. Okay, factors are also the numbers in a multiplication problem, right? Yes. So these two numbers would actually be called factor. Say again. Factor pairs. Greatest common factor. What's the abbreviation for greatest common factor? And we're going to talk about greatest common factor in just a second here. All right, so we just already talked about the smiley face method, right? So let's talk about how the smiley face method works. So we have a problem in which you have to find all the factors of 12, yes or no? Yes. Okay, so we make, what's this thing that we make? T-chart. And what do we call the T-chart?
12.
Say again?
12.
We call the T-chart 12, right? The T-chart is called 12 because we're trying to find all the factors of 12, yes? We know that every single number has what factor?
1.
So we write down a 1, and what is its partner?
2.
1 and
12.
they're called factor pairs, right? I don't see everybody's eyes up on the screen, so now we're wasting time waiting for everyone's eyes to get up on the screen. Okay, so 1 and 12, again, 1's a factor for everything. All right, we know 12 is what kind of number?
Even.
It's an even number, right? So what number always goes into even numbers?
2.
So 2 is definitely going to work. The tricky part is what does it partner with to multiply and get to 12?
6.
So 2 and 6 are also going to be in your T-chart, yes? What's the next number we should try for 2?
3.
Does 3 go into 12?
Yes.
So 3 actually goes into 12 how many times?
4.
Because 3 times 4 is what?
12.
What's the next number I should try? 4, but we actually do the crossover, so we know where we found all the factors, right?
Yes.
Now, if I ask you to make a smiley face, the smiley face would help us list all of the factors in biggest to smallest?
Smallest to biggest.
Wait, if I put a dimple here and I put a dimple right there and I draw a smiley face, wouldn't that be from small to big?
Yes.
We also call that numerical order, right?
Yes.
Another example right here. If I wanted you to find the GCF of two different numbers, how many T-charts are we making?
2.
We're doing the exact same thing, yes?
Yes.
But at the end, we have to determine if they have a common factor, yes?
Yes.
So let's look at 12 and 28. We did our smiley faces, yes?
Yes.
Do they both have 1 as a factor?
Yes.
So we circle it, right?
Yes.
Do they both have 2 as a factor?
Yes.
So we...
Circle it.
Do they both have 3 as a factor?
No.
So should I cross that 3 out?
Yes.
Do they both have 4 as a factor?
Yes.
Circle. Do they both have 6 as a factor?
No.
No. Do they both have 12?
No.
No. We still haven't talked about these numbers yet, so we should check. Does 7 go into both numbers?
No.
Does 14?
No.
Does 28?
No.
No. So what's G stand for?
Greatest.
What's C stand for?
Common.
And what's F stand for?
Factor.
So what is the greatest number that is common between both of those?
4.
So do I have to actually write 4 down?
Yes.
Are we okay?